This is a Serenator radio, made by Dominion Electro-Home for the Robert Simpson Company. The following is a summary of the restoration process described by Kevin Christopher for Innovative Systems in Nova Scotia. The bottom of the cabinet was totally separated from the sides, so when the chassis was removed it just fell off. There was a brass uniform button and an old pen inside. The chassis bottom was attached upside down, as the paper covering acts as an insulator in the event a part or wire should become dislodged. The next step was to remove the speaker, grill and dial from the cabinet. The penny found inside was a US Lincoln headset. The speaker is a dynamic oval speaker in good condition. The dial is glass, reverse painted and in good condition. The cabinet was recoated by brush at one time. The varnish is rough, and was on the dial glass, making it appear clouded. The metal grill cover is expanded steel copper coated. The dial was cleaned with a lacquer solvent on the outside and water on the inside, and it is like new. The metal grill was a different matter. The copper was a little too corroded to clean without exposing the steel, so it was sprayed with gold lacquer paint and now is better looking than originally. The grill cloth over the speaker is in good condition, and a little cleaning will bring that back to life. The trim finish was finally set well enough to sand off the edges and attach the base to the cabinet. Pictures show the cabinet bottom up and clamped. The base is attached with PVA glue which will set up overnight. Next we will apply a light stain to bring out an attractive color and apply the finishing coats of polyurethane. Stain and first coat of finish was added and decals were applied. The power cord had to be replaced as there was some bare wire starting to show near the chassis. The knobs are refinished and ready to go on. The radio is now complete. It looks and sounds great.